Is your living room floor a war zone of muddy paw prints, spilled cereal, and dust bunny tumbleweeds? Traditional mops leave floors dull, and vacuums struggle with sticky messes. Fear not, weary warriors of cleanliness. The BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce might just be the mythical cleaning kraken you've been yearning for. This isn't your average mop or vacuum. It's a two-in-one cleaning juggernaut that tackles both wet and dry messes with ease. Intrigued? Keep reading to discover why the BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce could be the ultimate weapon in your battle against floor grime. This review dives deep into the features, functions, and potential drawbacks of this multi-surface marvel, helping you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. One machine, two cleaning modes, versatility at your fingertips. The BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce isn't just another floor cleaner. It boasts two distinct cleaning modes to tackle both wet and dry messes. Power Vac Mode. This mode unleashes 75% more suction power compared to the previous CrossWave X7 model, ideal for picking up stubborn dry debris like dust bunnies, pet hair, and cereal crumbs. Power Mop Mode. For those everyday spills and light messes, this mode allows you to simultaneously vacuum and mop, saving you time and effort. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools, streamlining your cleaning routine. Tangle-Free Technology and Self-Cleaning Cycle. Less fuss, more clean. BISSELL understands the frustration of dealing with tangled hair wrap. The CrossWave OmniForce incorporates tangle-free technology, minimizing hair wrap around the brush roll, a lifesaver for pet owners. This innovative design reduces cleaning headaches and frustration. Maintaining a clean machine is crucial for optimal performance. The CrossWave OmniForce features a self-cleaning cycle that allows you to freshen the brush roll and flush debris into the dirty tank with the press of a button. This simple yet effective feature makes post-cleaning maintenance a breeze. Clean and dirty water separation. Always cleaning with freshness, traditional mops can leave floors feeling greasy or dull due to dirty mop water. The CrossWave OmniForce combats this issue with its two-tank technology. This system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring you're always cleaning with fresh solution and preventing cross-contamination. Cordless convenience and multi-surface cleaning. Gone are the days of wrestling with cords while cleaning. The CrossWave OmniForce offers cordless cleaning convenience with a runtime of up to 30 minutes, allowing you to tackle messes anywhere in your home without restrictions. This multi-surface cleaner is safe to use on sealed hard floors and area rugs, making it a versatile tool for a variety of cleaning tasks. However, it's important to note that BISSELL recommends checking the manufacturer's instructions for specific area rug types to ensure compatibility. A few points to consider. While the BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce offers a plethora of features, here are some things to keep in mind. Battery life. 30 minutes might not be sufficient for cleaning large homes. Noise level. Some users report the cleaner can be on the louder side. Limited carpet cleaning. This model is primarily designed for hard floors and area rugs. For deep carpet cleaning, a dedicated carpet cleaner might be necessary. The final verdict. A powerful option for multi-surface cleaning. The BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and user-friendly solution for cleaning hard floors and area rugs. The two distinct cleaning modes, Tangle-Free Technology, Self-Cleaning Cycle, and Cordless Convenience make it a powerful tool for tackling everyday messes. However, the shorter battery life, potential noise level, and limited carpet cleaning capabilities might be drawbacks for some users. Ultimately, if you prioritize a versatile floor cleaner for hard surfaces and appreciate the convenience of cordless cleaning, the BISSELL CrossWave OmniForce could be a worthwhile investment, especially for pet owners. However, if battery life is a major concern or deep carpet cleaning is a frequent need, you might want to consider alternative options. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.